Settings start with personal account, language, notifications, and workspace preferences. These are lower risk than keys, engines, or admin pages. API keys and model routing affect cost, provider access, and AI behavior. Show labels and status only, never record a full secret. Connected browsers use the user's browser session. Engines use local statistical software or bridge daemons. Do not mix these with API keys. Admin and plugin controls can affect other users. Use them only with authorization, staging, and a rollback plan.